Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Aruba, a final year BDS student at KMU. So I had stopped making videos during my third year exams, but now I am back with my videos and my vlogs. That will gonna be more interesting this time. I am promising you. Inshallah, hopefully they will. So meet me in my vlogs. So guys, the thing is, as we all have witnessed that third year was difficult, but final year is far more difficult than third year. And in this year, we have four departments to work with. The first one that we have been posted in this department is prosthodontics, in which we all individuals have to make two arches, like upper and lower CD or upper and upper CD, whatever it would be. And the second department in which we will going to be posted is operative, and the third will be oral surgery, and the last will be orthodontics, which is really difficult. And also the thing is, it is coming in Ramadan. Like, we will be posted in this department in Ramadan, and this is which will going to be very difficult for us to have fast and work along with the fast. So this department is very difficult, not difficult, but it is really strict. So this is the main reason that we are thinking that there will be a lot more work to do in Ramadan. So we will see this in the Ramadan also, that what are we going to, but let's hope for the best and I will do my best. And also we have been waiting for our third year professional exams result, so also pray for that. This is the day one of the final year and also the last day to pay university fees. So everyone is going to the bank to pay their fees, and me also. So let's meet you there. Here we all are paying our fees, and this is my fees for the last time. Examination fees here, but it's last. So now I'm going to the rental OPD, and here I have very important work to do, and that is to borrow these CD trays from my senior, which are very important. And then I give them to the sterilization, but the sterilization pouches were not available. So I bought my own pouches and give CD trays for sterilization. So guys, आज का जो खाना था वो ये ख़त्म हो गया है, and now I'm going to the GCR to take some rest there. So guys, मैं यहाँ पे आके बैठी थी, and after taking some rest, my technician called, and he is going to deliver some CD case which my senior is starting, but now I have to complete it. So वही लेने जा रही हूँ यहाँ पे. After taking this case, I came back to the GCR and slept for I guess 1 hour. And now I woke up and I bought myself some lunch, and that's it for today. Meet you guys tomorrow, inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Hello guys, this is day 2 of the week and I am back with my vlog. आज की क्लासेस लेने के बाद एज यूजुअल आई एम गोइंग टू द OPD. इफ़ यू हैव एवर मेट अ मेडिको तो आपको पता होगा कि उनके लिए अटेंडेंस कितनी ज़रूरी होती है. तो आज भी यहाँ OPD में हम अपनी अटेंडेंस लगाने के लिए आए हैं. आफ्टर अटेंडेंस वी रेडीली गेट बैक टू आवर होम्स बिकॉज वी हैव टू अटेंड सम स्पेशल इवेंट टुडे. एंड हियर आई एम इन दिस इवेंट विच इज़ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय TEDx इन द डाउ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ साइंसेज. और यहाँ पर हमें बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आने वाला है बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग डॉक्टर फैज़ान, डॉक्टर आज़िब एंड डॉक्टर ज़फ़र ज़ैदी हेयर. They are going to deliver their speeches, and by meeting them I am going to have a lot of fun. Like, these are the inspirations. These are, like, I say to them that they are the celebrity of dentistry. Here is Dr. Zafar Zaidi.
So my dear colleagues, If your niyat is right,
Here is Dr. Muhammad Azib.
Very important to my heart, my life's mission, and that is how do we impact a billion lives, and how can we revolutionize medical education to redefine the future?
And here is our all time favorite dentist, Dr. Syed
Thank
Muhammad
you very much.
Fazan.
Assalamualaikum. Thank you very much for the invitation and for allowing me to get on the stage in front of extremely esteemed speakers, far more knowledgeable, far more technical, and far more experienced than me. So, of course, I am humbled already. I would be speaking on something that's non-technical. That's why we the curve, right? You get on something on an entirely different ship, and you can't have anyone to compare yourselves to.
Now it's time for our most valuable seniors to take their gifts. And last but not least, we took so many pictures and these are our lunch boxes. एंड ये सब करते कराते रात के 7 बज चुके थे एंड देन वी ऑल गेट बैक टू आवर होम्स. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. मीट यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. अंटिल देन टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ एंड योर लव वंस. एंड इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो, अगर आपका दिल चाहे तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना, बट डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड शेयर. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़.